Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic in the subject of Mathematics D3 in class O levels is area and volume of similar figures and solids. And the first topic, in this topic we are going to start is areas of the similar figures. So the ratio of the areas of any two similar figures is equal to the square of the ratios of two corresponding sides of the figures. So here is a question that will make your concepts more clear about this concept. So the question is in the diagram. Here is the diagram. XP over PY is equal to XQ over QZ is equal to 3:1. So XP over PY. So XP is 3 and PY is 1. And XQ is 3 and QZ is 1. Okay. If the area of triangle XYZ, so XYZ is a bigger triangle, find the area of PYZQ. So here is PYZQ. So look now, these two are similar figures because these are two parallel lines. So corresponding angles, this one and this one equal, and this angle should be equal to this one because of the corresponding angles. So two angles are same in both figures. So it means these are similar figures. Okay, it means now we can apply the concept of the similar figures in this figure. So look now, solution. Okay, now we are moving from smaller to bigger triangle. So it means the area of triangle XPQ is divided by area of triangle XYZ will be equal to smaller side, that is 3, over bigger side, that is total 4. So 3/4 whole square. So this is the concept which we have applied. This is the concept. Okay, from here you can see 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. And the area of XYZ is given in the question, that is 32. So area of triangle XPQ over 32 is equal to this one. So from here, area of triangle XPQ is equal to 9/16 multiplied by 32. Okay, 16 twos are 32 and 9 twos are 18. So area of the triangle XPQ is 18 centimeter square. Now the requirement is find the area of PYZQ. So area of PYZQ should be equal to bigger triangle area of XYZ minus area of smaller triangle, that is XPQ. Okay, putting values into the equation, XYZ is 32 minus smaller triangle is 18, because from bigger triangle smaller triangle is subtracted, so we will get this area. So from here it will be equal to 14 centimeter square. So this is the answer. Another question that is somewhat tougher, so concentrate yourself. Here is a figure and the statement of the question is in the diagram shown ST is parallel to RU So ST is parallel to RU. These signs are showing that these sides are parallel. RU is 4 centimeter. So RU is 4 centimeter given. UQ 2. So here is UQ 2 centimeter. PT 6 centimeter and TU 2 centimeters. So these things are given in the question and given here in the statement also. So further, given that the area of PUR triangle is 12. So here is PUR triangle, that is a bigger one in this figure. The area is given 12 centimeter. Calculate the area of PQU. So PQU. This area is required of the triangle in the first part. So concentrate yourself. Solution is here. So if we take this height, the common height of these two triangles, that is PRU and PUQ, and this height is also same for PRQ triangle also. So look now, area of triangle PUQ, because this is the requirement, PQU. So area of triangle PQU over area of triangle, because this is the area given, so PUR will be put in the denominator, triangle PUR. And as we know, the area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2 into PQU. So here is PQU, the base will be UQ into, this is the height, divided by, in this triangle PUR, the base is UR. So 1 by 2 into UR into, this is also the height of this triangle. So from here we can see that 1 by 2 and h will be cancelled in the numerator and denominator. So in the numerator UQ is left and in the denominator UR is left. So UQ is 2 and UR is 4. So 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Okay, on the left hand side the area of the PUR is given, that is 12. So in the next step, area of PQU divided by 12 will be put in place of this one, and on the right hand side we have now 1 by 2. So when this 12 will go to the right side, it will become 6. So 6 centimeters square is the area of this triangle. Okay, the second thing that is required is PTS. So look now, here is PTS triangle, and triangle PTS and PUR will be similar because of these parallel lines, because the corresponding angles, this and this will be equal. Also this and this will be equal. So these are similar triangles. So B part is, area of PTS is required. Over area of PTS and PUR. Also you have to be very careful about the order of the letters. Okay, PTS side is given 6 and PUR side is given total 8, because 6 plus 2 will be 8 of the bigger side. So at this step you will again put the area of the PUR, that is given 12 centimeter. So area of PTS is remaining same because this is the requirement. the denominator you will put the area of DUR, that is 12, and on the right hand side cancel the values. 2 3s are, 2 4s are, so 3 by 4 is on the right hand side. So 12 will go to the right hand side and you will get the answer. So area of triangle PTS is equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by 12. So this is the final step. So 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So this is the answer of second part. The next thing that we are going to read in the topic of area and volume of the similar figures and solid is volumes of the similar figures. So look, now here is the concept. The volumes of two similar figures is equal to cube of the ratios of corresponding lengths of the figures. And here is a question that will make your concepts more clear about the concept. So the diagram shows an inverted cone of height 4 centimeter. So here is a cone of height 4 centimeter. It contains a volume of the water which is equal to 1/8 of its full capacity. So here is the water, that is 1/8 of the full capacity. It means if there are 8 parts in the full cone, the water will contain 1 part, because it is given that the water is 1/8 of the full capacity. So listen again, if there are 8 parts in the cone, the water will contain 1 part. The requirement is find the depth of the water. So the depth of the total cone is 4 centimeter. So let the depth of the water is D. So look now, the concepts are going to be applied. So V1 over V2 is equal to L1 over L2 whole cube. Suppose V1 is the volume of the bigger cone and V2 is the volume of the smaller cone. So that's why L1 will be the depth of the bigger cone and L2 will be the length of the smaller cone. So we are going to apply the values. So from here it was seen that the volume of the bigger cone is 8 and the volume of the smaller cone is 1 is equal to the length of the bigger cone is 4 and the length of the smaller cone is D, and this cube is still there. So from here we will solve the values. So 8 will be equal to 64 D cube, 64 over D cube. From here D cube will come here and 8 will go to the denominator of the 64. So from here 8 ones are 8 and 8 eights are 64. So taking cube root of both sides will give us D is equal to 2 and unit is centimeter. So this is the answer. Here are 2 more questions. The first question is, 2 similar prisms are of height 2 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Given that the volume of the first prism is 80 centimeter cube, find the volume of the second prism. So look now, solution for the first question. V1 over V2 will be equal to L1 over L2 whole cube. So it is given that the volume of the second prism is requirement and the volume of the first prism is 80 centimeter cube. So first prism volume is given, that is 80, and second is the requirement. Okay, R of height. So first prism's height is given, that is 2 centimeter and second of 10. So 2 over 10 cube. So from here solve it. 80 over V2 is equal to 2's cube is 8 and 10's cube is 1000. So from here cross multiply the values. So V2 will go to the right hand side, 1000 will come here with 80, and this 8 will come here. So from here you can see 8 tens are 80. So from here 10,000 unit is centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the second prism. Now question number 2 is here. Two solid spheres of diameter 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter are made of the same material. If the smaller sphere has the mass of 120 kg, find the mass of the larger sphere. So here is the question number 2. So for this you have to remember another formula. So ratio of mass is equal to ratio of volume. So this is another formula that is used in the question. So you have to remember it. So ratio of the mass will be M1 over M2, and ratio of the volume is V1 over V2. And V1 over V2 is equal to L1 over L2 whole cube. And for this question, because diameters are given, so look now, diameters are given, so we will put D1 over D2 in place of L1 over L2. So D1 over D2 whole cube. Okay, look now, two solids are having diameter 4 centimeter and 5 centimeters. So D1 is 4 and D2 is 5. So 4 over 5 cube. Okay, if the smaller sphere has the mass 120, so it means the diameter is 4 centimeter and the mass is 120. So 120 will be put in place of M1 and M2 will remain as it is because the mass of the larger sphere is required. So from here 120 over M2 equal to 4's cube is 64 and 5's cube is 125. Cross multiplying the values. So M2 will go there and these two values will come to the left. So 120 into 125 and 64 will come to the denominator. So from here cross cancellation the values. So 4 1s are 4 6 are and 4 3s are 0. Okay, furthermore 2 8s are, 2 15s are, and from here solving the values on the calculator. So 15 into 125 divided by 8 is 234 point. So M2 is 234.375 and unit is kg because kg is the unit used in the question. Here is another question. The statement is in the diagram the radii of the sector of RAT. So this is a smaller cone and RUN, and this is a bigger cone, has a radius 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Find the ratio of the shaded areas. So areas are required. So the formula will be used A1 over A2 is equal to, because radii are given, so R1 over R2. Because of the areas, squares will be taken. So putting values of the radii into the formula. So R1 is smaller and R2 is bigger, and A1 is smaller and A2 is bigger. So 3 over 5 square. from here taking square 9 over 25. So it is clear from the equation now. The smaller cone is having area of 9 and bigger cone has an area of the 25. So from here the shaded area is now required. So shaded area over bigger RUN area. Because this is the requirement, the ratio of the shaded area to the area of the sector RUN. So look now, shaded area will be bigger sector minus smaller sector. So bigger sector is 25, smaller sector is 9. So 25 minus 9 over bigger sector's area is 25. So 25 minus 9 will be 16 over 25 is same. So this is the ratio of the shaded area to the area of the bigger sector. Here is another question. In the diagram, BAT is a right angle triangle. So BAT is a bigger triangle, that is a right angle triangle, with AB is equal to BT. So AP is equal to 2 times of BT. So if it is 2 times of BT, if we let this side x, so this will be 2 times, so 2x. So AB is equal to 2 times of BT. A square BLUR. So BLUR is a square inscribed in the triangle BAT. Okay. Such that LU and R lie on the sides. So LU and R are lying on the sides of the triangle BAT. Find the ratio of the areas of the square blur to the areas of the bigger triangle BAT. Okay, so solution is here. So look now, because this is a square, so we have let its sides y, and it is also given that AB is equal to 2 times of BT. So if BT is x, so it is 2 times, so it will be 2x. So look now, triangle BAT and triangle LAU are similar. So the concept of the similar triangles are going to be applied. So we are moving from bigger to smaller. So AB over AL AB over AL will be equal to BT over LU. So ratio of the corresponding sides will be same. Putting the values, AB is 2x and AL. So AL will be equal to 2x minus y equal to BT, that is x, over LU. LU is y. Okay. From here, cross multiplying the values. So 2xy will be equal to 2x square minus xy. Okay, this value will be sent to the right hand side. So 2x square minus 3xy will be equal to 0. Taking x common from the right hand side, inside the bracket will left 2x minus 3y. Okay, from here x will be equal to 0 or 2x minus 3y will be equal to 0. So x cannot be equal to 0 because x is a side, so side cannot be 0, so this is not applicable. And from here 2x will be equal to 3y and x over y. So this y will come to the left hand side and this 2 will go to the right hand side. So x over y is 3 by 2. And the very final stage is now find the ratio of the area of the square blur to the area of the bed. So look now, area of square blur over area of triangle bed. So area of the square blur will be y square and area of the triangle bed will be 1 by 2 into 2x into x. Because area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. So from here 2 will be cancelled by 2 and y square over x square will be left. Okay, from here you can see y by x will be equal to 2 by 3. So putting value of y by x, that is 2 by 3 over here. So 2 by 3 square will be 4 over 9. So this is the ratio, or in other words, this is 4 ratio 9. So this is the answer.